What's going on, everybody? It's Wendell here at Brand Smart USA, and today I want to show you guys something very special and probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances yet. That's the Kalorik digital air fryer oven. Let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right into it. The Kalorik air fryer oven is an all-in-one smart appliance that offers restaurant quality meals prepared right from your home. The rapid hot air technology features allows you to bake, grill, toast, and fry up to 30% faster, so you can get dinner ready quickly and easily. With a 10-quart capacity, the Kalorik digital air fryer oven accommodates many foods, so you'll be able to prepare large meals for your family and friends. Now this is impressive. The Kalorik digital air fryer oven has 13 smart preset options, which is easy to use and versatile with program settings like chicken, vegetables, fish, and more. With the large viewing glass window, you can watch your meal come to life right before your eyes. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Does the Kalorik digital air fryer provide healthier cooking? Well, I'm glad that you asked that question, because yes, it does, and you can fry with little to no oil, and by doing so, you can cut up to 75% of fat and calories. What about that? Also, the Kalorik digital air fryer oven includes 9 accessories from air racks, baking trays, rotisserie spit, skewer rack, mesh basket, and more. And there you guys have it, the Kalorik digital air fryer oven, right here at Brand Smart USA.